Hi, this is how you factory reset the TP-Link Deco M4, as well as, to be honest, most of the Deco series routers and satellites from TP-Link. Alright, first start by plugging in the power cord and let the router boot up for about a minute. In this case, the router was previously connected to a network that it now cannot find, so it's angry and blinking red. Normal indicator light after a completed boot is otherwise white if the router is connected and happy, or pulsing blue if it wants to be connected to a network. Now, with the router started, we grab a small pointy object like this SIM card ejector or a paperclip, for example. Then we locate the small hole on the bottom of the unit that says reset next to it. We then use our little tool to press the button inside the hole for just about 1 second, whereupon the light on the top of the unit then starts blinking yellow or orange yellow. We then put the router down and wait until the light has changed to a pulsing blue one, indicating that the router is now ready to be set up once again through the app, or sold, or given away, or whatever if you want to get rid of it. Also, if the 1 second reset procedure does not work, a few more things to try here is firstly to push and hold down the reset button for a whole of 10 seconds to force the reset to kick in. And if this does not work, you can also try to remove the power cable completely, then push and hold down the reset button while inserting the power cable back into the router. Then keep the button pressed for another 10 seconds. This can also sometimes kickstart the reset procedure if nothing else seems to be working. Alright, hopefully this did it. If not, or if you've got some other thoughts or questions, please share them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.